Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to see and delete all the comments you have ever made on YouTube. For example, if you want to see all the comments you have ever made on YouTube, and if you want to delete any of them, or if you want to delete all of the comments, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings here. So in settings, you have to simply go to general. In general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So in transfer or reset iPhone, so you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back and close this page. Now you have to open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have to simply search for the YouTube app, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the YouTube app. And after updating the YouTube app, you have to close the App Store app. And here what you have to do, you have to simply open the YouTube app, and after you opening, you have to simply click on profile, and here you have to simply click on settings, and here you have to simply click on manage all history. So after clicking on manage all history, you have to simply click on interactions here. So in interaction, you will find the comments and replies. So if you want to delete any of the comments from here, you can simply see all the comments. So you can simply delete the comments from here. So after that, you will not be able to do that again. So you have to make sure that if you want to delete this comment, then it will be deleted permanently from the YouTube activity. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.